where we're going?
Kentucky.
We're at in Kentucky.
I don't know yet. We're somewhere between here and Elizabethtown. Or we might just go to Elizabethtown.
We might just go to
Don't know yet. We're not supposed to be there until tomorrow. I might call ahead and see if we can check in early.
Yeah. So that's 3 no's for tonight.
Sold out,
That's
sold
all right.
out, sold out. Well, let's look where we are in this area and see if we can find a spot. Cave Country RV Campground, 4 stars.
Good afternoon, Cave Country RV Campground.
Hey there, I'm looking for a place to stay just for tonight, and I was wondering if you guys had any spots open.
I believe I do. Let me just double check here.
Okay.
Yeah, I do have a few sites. What size RV do you have?
It's a 37-foot.
Praise Jesus. He has
Found a
provided
site.
a site for us.
In Cave Country.
And where?
Cave Country.
So we just realized that after we started driving, we forgot to secure the fridge and freezer. And the last thing you want is to, once you're parked, go and realize that your fridge flew open and your eggs are cracked everywhere on the floor. So we are pulling off right now. And
Good places to pull off in emergencies. Church parking lots.
oh yeah, true.
That's never happened before, but definitely happened this time. The fridge is closed, but the shoe rack fell.
Oh, my roses. My poor roses. Oh man.
No, we're fine. But like, what is this on the floor? The fridge can't open.
Good.
Putting along.
The bathroom's out of toilet paper.
arches. We're at McDonald's and there is our rig.
That's your caramel one.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's your mocha. Have a good day.
You too.
I would like it on camera that I did tow our house the majority of the way the first travel day.
I've never seen you drive before.
Love, you better take that back.
You didn't drive the majority.
Yes,
We split it.
no,
We
sir.
split it.
No, sir, we did not.
It was because I had to work that night. And I did not have a choice. That is
Alright.
not at all to say that I don't want my wife to drive. Elizabethtown Crossroads, here we go.
We have made it to Elizabethtown, Kentucky. So thankful.
Hey Al, what are you doing?
Trading in my little thin cardigan for a much thicker one. Now that we are here in Kentucky and it's cold.
Once we got to our campsite, we decided to take a cruise around town to see what all this place had to offer.
Part of staying somewhere for an extended season, which is greater than 30 days in the RV world, means we needed to figure out how to handle our mail.
In addition to using the traveling mailbox, which is a mail forwarding service, we also found it beneficial to have our own P.O. box.
Which is beneficial to us in that we don't have to pay a mail forwarding fee every time we get a piece of mail. For about $15, we can get our mail in one location where we're staying for the 3 months that we're here.